Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a shirt that I got. This is a size large, and if I can open it, I'll show it to you. It comes packed ridiculously thin, and then you open it up and it fills up with air and then gets a little bigger. So there, this is what it looks like here. It's a nice long sleeve shirt. It's got a cool pattern on it. Let me see if you guys can see there. You can see that. So this is what it looks like here. It's a long sleeve. Let's open up the buttons here, and I will put this on for you so you can see what it looks like on a human. I am about, 190 pounds and about 5'10", so that'll give you a little idea of it. Let me see what it's made of here. Does it say? Let me put it on. You guys don't see my almost naked body. But okay, so this, it's a good fit. It's got a good tight fit, so it's kind of form-fitting-ish. Once I lose another couple of pounds, it'll look even better. But there we go. So it's got a good long sleeves. The sleeves are all the way down there. If I put my hands down, I mean, it goes to only to my wrist because it's got the cuff on it. So it's got cuffs on it. It's got a decent sized cuff. You can see it's pretty thick. So I'd say it's a couple inches on there, thicker than normal. It's got a nice collar on it, and the buttons seem good. Let me see. Here's where it says the tag. This is made of 97% polyester and 3% elastine. And the elastine, I guess, is what makes it elastic. So this is it here. Kind of, when I pull it down all the way, it goes a little bit here off the butt here. I'm a 5'10" guy. But this is good. I like this shirt. This is going to be a nice shirt for me to be wearing around, especially all winter long. Right now it's 100 degrees, so I won't be wearing it yet. But I needed some clothes to get ready for the winter. So these are good. I like them. Thumbs up. Very nice shirt. Very nice.